Kelley Hobart from Alpaca Direct, and I'm here to show you how to do a right twist. The right and left twist make perfect accents when doing cabling work. So let me show you how to do it. But first I want to show you what it looks like. Here is a right twist. Right here and right here. So let me show you how it's done. It's super simple to execute. So you go ahead and knit to where you want your twist to be. And then you knit two together without removing them from the needle. Knit one in the first stitch and remove those stitches. Let's do that one more time. So I'm going to go ahead and knit a couple stitches away. Then I'm going to knit two together. Don't remove anything from the left-hand needle. Knit one. Then remove both stitches from the needle. And that is how you do a right twist.